Okay, this is number 18. Use the law of detachment to determine what you can conclude from the given information if possible. The first statement says, if your parents let you borrow the car, then you will go to the movies with your friend. So the very first part, your parents let you borrow the car, that's the hypothesis. Call that A. Then you will go to the movies with your friend. So that's B. The law of detachment says if A, then B has to be a true statement. So we're assuming that they're giving us a true statement here. If your parents let you borrow the car, then you'll go to the movies with your friend. The law of detachment then says if we have a true statement and we know that A is true, so they have to tell me the hypothesis is true, or they have to give me that fact that the hypothesis is true. Then I know as my conclusion that B must be true. So I have an if a hypothesis, then a conclusion, and I have to know the hypothesis is true. My conclusion is then that the conclusion given is true. So let's see what they told us. It says if your parents let you borrow the car, then you will go to the movies with your friend. Then it says you will go to the movies with your friend. So the question is, did they tell me A or did they tell me B? You will go to the movies with your friend. They're actually giving you that B is true. But the law of detachment says they have to give you A is true. So they're giving you the wrong information. They have to tell you that what's in the blue box is a fact. Then you can conclude that what's in the red box is also true. So right now, I don't have a valid conclusion to make. Another way we can look at this is to say, you started with, if you borrow the car, then you can go to the movies. So borrow, then movies. The converse would be, if you go to the movies, then you borrow the car. But the converse is not always true. It's not logically equivalent. So then when you are told that you go to the movies, that's in the green circle, you will go to the movies with your friend, we can't conclude B because the converse is not always true. So they gave you the wrong information. They had to give you that you borrowed the car.